Here is how to add banners on your Shopify store. Perfect for promotions, announcements, or showcasing new products. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left menu, go to Online Store. Then click Themes. Next, click on Customize on your active theme to open the theme editor. Now, choose the page where you want your banner, like the home page or a product page. Click Add Section and select Image Banner, Slideshow, or Custom HTML, depending on your theme. Upload your banner image. Make sure it's the right size and optimized for web, usually around 1600 x 500 pixels. Add a heading, subheading, and an optional button with a link if you want the users to take action. You can also customize the text alignment, background color, and overlay opacity for better visibility. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save in the top right corner. And that's it. Your banner is now live on your Shopify store. That's how to add banners on Shopify. Quick, clean, and perfect for catching your customers' attention. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.